Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Creative Cloud security features step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Log into your Adobe account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Creative Cloud interface. On the left-hand side, locate and click on the Apps tab. Find the application you wish to activate security features for, and select it. Next, click on the gear icon next to the app name for settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Click on the Security option to open the security settings. Here, you will see various security features available. To activate two-factor authentication, locate the option for two-step verification. Toggle the switch to enable two-step verification. Follow the prompts to set up your phone number or authentication app. After entering your phone number, click Send Code to receive a verification code. Enter the code you receive in the designated field and click Verify. Once verified, your two-step verification is now active. You can also explore other security options, such as password management. If you prefer, adjust the settings for data encryption or account recovery. Review all security settings to ensure they meet your needs. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply these changes. Finally, log out of your Adobe account and test your new security features. Your Adobe Creative Cloud account is now more secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.